Ever since the last two drones I used on this channel were decommissioned, I've been looking for a drone that can truly bring the vision of this channel back to life. I want to start off this video by giving a huge shout out to DJI USA for not only sponsoring the video, but for sending us the all-new DJI Mavic Mini 5 Pro. Today isn't just a test. It's about finding out if this drone can capture the cinematic, immersive moments that define this channel. Now, the great thing about DJIUSA.com is you can find 100% authentic drones, handheld gimbals, and even cameras. All of the serial numbers can be verified on the official DJI website. They also have really fast US shipping with orders delivered in about 3 to 4 business days. And last but definitely not least, their professional after-sales support and reliable customer service is second to none. Before we break everything down about this drone and see if it really brings the vision of this channel to life, let's get a quick peek and see what it could do. Roll the footage. Let's go. Welcome back, guys. Hopefully that short take was able to give you a glimpse of what the Mavic Mini 5 Pro can do. Let's go over the features of it, what makes it so easy to carry and so easy to use, but maybe even more importantly, why this drone may be the perfect one for you. We're kicking things off with the unboxing of the DJI Mavic Mini 5 Pro. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get started. Extra propellers, a cable for older iPhones, manuals, stickers, the controller, and of course, the drone itself. What makes this drone stand out right away is portability. Setup is effortless, power on the controller, mount your phone, open the DJI app, unfold the drone, and within seconds, you're ready for takeoff. Now, a quick disclaimer. While DJI USA is sponsoring this video, they have no influence over my review or the outcome of this test. One of the first things you'll notice in the air is how well the drone handles wind. Even with movement, the gimbal keeps your footage incredibly stable. And that yellow home point indicator, it clearly shows your position in relation to the drone, something I found extremely helpful during flight. Control is another standout. The responsiveness allows for smooth, precise shots, and features like cruise control take it even further. Here's a quick tip. When flying to your shot location, switch to normal or even sport mode to get there a little faster. Once you're ready to capture, drop it back into cine mode. That's where the magic happens, especially with overhead shots and moments like birds flying through the frame. Now, this next feature is where things really get exciting. This mode allows the gimbal to rotate dynamically while flying. In this shot, I set the drone to move backward while the gimbal tilts to create this incredible, almost inverted perspective. Honestly, this opens the door to so many creative possibilities that I cannot wait to push this even further. Active Track is another powerful tool. It locks onto your subject and keeps it perfectly framed, even as the drone moves. Here I use the palm trees as a foreground to add depth and drama while the drone smoothly pulls back and keeps me centered the entire time. You'll also get alerts when your battery runs low, which is something that becomes very important, and you'll see why. As I mentioned earlier, wind performance was one of the biggest takeaways from this test. Out at the sandbar, winds were pushing past 20 miles an hour, and the drone handled it with ease. No warnings, no instability, just smooth, controlled flight. As I took out the drone for its final flight over Egmont Island, I thought I had enough battery to fly all the way south and all the way north. As I started recording, I noticed it dropping a little faster than expected because of the headwind. So I made a call to stop filming and safely return home. I guess that's part of the learning curve with any new setup. At the end of the day, the DJI Mavic Mini 5 Pro is incredibly capable. If you're serious about capturing your experiences, especially out on the water, I highly recommend going with the Fly More combo and the RC2 controller. That's the setup I'll be upgrading to for longer flight time, extended range, and that built-in screen. When it comes to capturing cinematic, unbelievable footage out on the water, this right here is the ultimate setup. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps it up. I hope this video wasn't only educational, but maybe even inspired you to go and grab yourself a brand new DJI Mavic Mini 5 Pro. Once again, thank you so much to DJIUSA.com for not only sponsoring this video, but getting our hands on this awesome Mavic Mini 5 Pro. As mentioned, you can pick up yours directly on the website. They are 100% approved to fly here in the United States. And last but not least, if you truly enjoyed this content, if you really liked the video, please don't forget to smash the like button. Of course, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned because this drone is definitely coming with me on the next adventure to bring to you. Let's go.